Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A71. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and as you can see right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable automatic brightness, enable or disable dark mode, and schedule it. Also the reading mode. Next you can enable or disable night light and also adjust it. And then you can change screen effects between more, normal and cool. Now let's go to full screen display settings, and from here you can enable full screen display for apps. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never. Next you can enable adjust font size, display size, and in the end enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.